All right, y'all, here's the game plan. I'm rolling up to the Saturday night ride. Logan and Blake have no idea that I'm coming. And Blake, I don't know if he's ever even seen a Cake Kalk before. So this would be fun to get his reaction. There's always a moment right before joining a big ride. If you're on a unique bike where you wonder, do I belong? Then you remember, they're just bikes. This one's a Cake, so we'll see. And in case you haven't seen my most recent video, I recently picked up this bike. It's called the Cake Kalk. You can go watch this, get a more in-depth description about this bike and some of its quirks, but much, much more powerful than a stock Sur-Ron. It's not even close. Oh, we missed the launch. All right, so a good start to the ride. Let's go try and find these guys. Our first victim. Is that who I think it is? Oh, dude. That's you? Are you heading over there now?
Yeah, I don't know how to even get there on this thing, but...
Let's figure it out. Oh my God. Dude, being behind you gives me the like nostalgia of playing Mario Kart 64. Oh, the arch nemesis of drift carts, minor inclines. You must have done that growing up, right? Because your skills on this thing are immaculate.
Done what, drift carts?
Yeah. Oh no.
Zero traction.
Sorry.
Sorry about that. Everyone when they see this thing, they're in like a weirdly good mood.
No, we'll figure it out. What's up?
Hi.
I wanted to surprise you so bad. Have you ever seen one of these in person?
Yeah, the coolest bike.
Nice, man. Any other changes to the bike?
FX.
Nice, nice.
I was supposed to bring my card out tonight, but I broke it.
The grass bike.
Oh my God, dude. So I thought it was just this group,
He's like fucking
and then all of these people start rolling in. Are you sure? You're more than welcome to ride the Cake if you want.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How does it feel?
There's no pedals.
Yeah. Okay, now you're making me nervous. Okay, so I don't want to go onto the dirt because they've got the supermotos, and I think this thing's gonna be a little bit slick on that. This is my first time ever riding an Onyx RCR. You guys hear that? Nothing. Oh my goodness, this is quiet. All right, looks like we're rolling out. You know, I don't have a headlight, but luckily, when you got the strobes of downtown Seattle and everybody else that has headlights, you don't really need them. So far, we're doing all right. We got the EC, we got the longboard, Surrons, Ultra Bs, Vectras. We kind of slide under the radar, actually. Damn! Is it like a toy bike that you like converted? We're gonna block for him. We're gonna block for him. What? That's an insane horn. That is an insane horn. That was him. That is a fucking foghorn. Oh, I can't do a loop because I don't have one of the headlights. Next time, next time, next time. We'll come back. We'll come back on the Rawrr. We're at the arches. This is
the OG, man.
Oh my God, dude.
Yeah, of course. If you don't know what Cake is,
You've even been around since at least 2018,
I mean,
basically.
you just haven't been on your pulse hasn't been aware on the bike scene anyway.
What do you think about the look of it?
I love it. I love it. Was it Swedish?
Swedish, yeah, Swedish.
It's so Swedish looking. Just the
Yeah.
architecture.
You could like throw an IKEA label on it like right here and
Yeah.
people would believe it.
Dude, I love it. This is the first one I fell in love with online when I was looking into bikes a while.
Yeah.
I literally saw you from. I was like, wait, is that what? Super sick. These all look the same. If you throw it in the back of a truck, then you can tell what it is.
100%. I saw you like moving around and you look really comfortable on this thing.
Yeah, I love UCs.
Can you, you're saying I love you. I was like, man, I love you too. That's so kind.
Hey, have you tried these?
Never, man. I don't know if I can balance like, I don't want to accidentally go too fast, you know?
No, this is your time to explore. So,
Let me know if I'm wearing your arm out.
no, I do lots of Sony rides. Weight shift to the left and carve a circle.
Ah!
You're doing great for a first rider, too.
Oh my gosh, you're
Very
just
natural.
saying that, man. We're halfway through the ride. We've already had some dramatic moments. Saw a little bit of a crash. Got to try an EUC and got to see some people's reactions to the Cake, which has held up nicely. And with that, we come to a close. It was really fun showing off the bike and showing you guys a little bit of a Seattle night ride. I turned the camera off and enjoyed the rest of it live, but if you guys are interested in seeing a full ride or the second half of these kinds of rides, let me know, because we did have a lot of fun. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.